Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Honor Magic V4, a flagship foldable smartphone that promises to redefine mobile photography and design by building on a legacy of the Honor Magic V3, which was launched last July as the world's thinnest foldable at 9.2 millimeters when folded. Although that title has since been overtaken by the Oppo Find N5 at 8.9 millimeters, and now new leaks via GSM Arena reveal that the upcoming Magic V4 is set to be even more impressive, with a folded thickness of under 9 millimeters, a substantial upgrade in both aesthetics and functionality. According to these leaks, one of the standout features of the Magic V4 is its advanced camera setup, where Honor is rumored to differentiate its device with a cutting-edge imaging system that includes a 50MP primary sensor featuring a 1/1.5-inch sensor for exceptional detail, alongside a revolutionary 200MP periscope. Telephoto camera that boasts a 1/1.4-inch type sensor and offers 3x optical zoom, a dramatic enhancement over competitors, such as the Oppo Find N5, which is reported to have a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with a smaller 1/2.75-inch sensor, and far surpassing the modest 10MP telephoto lens seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Further, the Magic V4 is tipped to offer a dual display experience, with a cover display measuring around 6.45 inches that provides a sleek, unobtrusive front interface and an expansive 8-inch inner display for a true tablet-like experience when unfolded, making it ideal for both productivity and entertainment. Powering this impressive device is expected to be the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, though leaks suggest that Honor might opt for a slightly watered-down version with 7 cores, similar to what is used in the Oppo Find N5, meaning that while performance will be robust, some compromises may be made to maintain an ultra-thin profile and sleek design. And though all this information is based on leaks and should be taken with a grain of salt until official confirmation, it paints a picture of a device that not only pushes the boundaries of current foldable technology, but also targets consumers who demand a high-end imaging flagship at a competitive price point. As we anticipate the launch of the Honor Magic V4, expected around June, it's clear that Honor is committed to evolving its design language and feature set, ensuring that this next-generation foldable will cater to both photography enthusiasts and tech-savvy users looking for a blend of premium build quality, innovative design, and groundbreaking camera technology, with its rumored 200MP periscope camera setting a new benchmark for mobile imaging, combined with an ultra-thin form factor, dual display sizes, and powerful processing capabilities. The Magic V4 could very well become a defining device in the foldable market, challenging both established competitors and emerging models. And while the final specifications may still be subject to change, these leaks provide a tantalizing glimpse into what the future holds for premium foldable smartphones. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive review of the leaked details for the Honor Magic V4. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive tech insights and in-depth reviews. This is TechVerse signing off.